Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Moto G23. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Now look for the gestures in the system. So it's right here. And from here we can actually see them all. Now let's check how they work. First one being double press power key to either launch assistant or launch a camera. You can also click none and that way it won't open anything. But in this case, let's go for the camera and try to double press it. As you can see, it works fine, so the camera launches. And another one is system navigation, which is basically how you can navigate through your phone. So you can use gesture navigations to move around with different gestures, or use 3 buttons to see 3 buttons at the bottom and use them to navigate instead. Next is press and hold power key to open assistant, and you can adjust the sensitivity for it if you like. I'm gonna keep it in the middle and see if it works. So hold the power key, and right here we just called out our assistant. It works fine. Another one is a power touch. Double tap the power button for a quick shortcut. Enable it and go for the settings. In the settings you can select double tap and pick which options will be visible in this shortcut. So there was a calculator there. Let's see if it works. Double tap the power button for quick shortcuts. Yeah, because it's a double tap, you don't need to press it. Simply double tap it like that, and here's the shortcuts. Another one is 3 fingers screenshots, so you can use your 3 fingers to capture your screen like that. Another one, quick capture. You can pick up your phone and twist your wrist like that to open the camera. And last is a fast flashlight, which is, I think, the worst motion you can get, but you need to perform something like a karate chop or a handshake to enable the flashlight. For me it never works, but we're gonna try it anyway. As you can see, it doesn't work at all. You can try it if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.